Hello, friends. Welcome to Arabic Heroes. This is the place where Arabic letters come alive. Oh, something magical is happening. Who is coming through the portal? مرحبا يا أصدقائي. أنا حرف الألف. Can you say Alif? Wonderful. Alif. Today we're meeting our very first Arabic heroes. This is Alif. Alif is the first Arabic letter. Alif is friendly. Alif loves learning. Now, listen carefully. Alif says, your turn. Say, good job. Let's do it again. Alif says, now you say it. Excellent. One more time. Say it together with Alif. Amazing. You're learning Arabic. Let's learn words that start with Alif. Our first word is Asad. Asad means lion. Alif says, now you say Asad. Great. Our second word is Arnab. Arnab means rabbit. Alif says, now you say Arnab. Wonderful. Our third word is Ab. Ab means father. Alif says, now you say Ab. Excellent. Now it's game time. Can you find Alif? Look carefully. Where is Alif? There it is. You found Alif. Fantastic. Let's review what we learned. This is Alif. Alif says, your turn. Today we learned Asad, Arnab, Ab. Let's say them together. Asad, Arnab, Ab. Now you say them. Amazing work. You learned your very first Arabic letter. Ahsantum. Give yourself a big clap. But wait, another Arabic hero is coming soon. Who do you think it will be? Ma'a salama. See you next time, friends. Next time, we'll meet a brand new Arabic hero. Hello, friends. Welcome back to Arabic Heroes. Do you remember our first hero? Great, that was Alif. But today, something bubbly is happening. Who is coming through the portal? Look carefully. مرحبا يا أصدقائي. أنا حرف الباء. Can you say ba? Wonderful. Ba. Today we meet our new Arabic hero. This is Ba. Ba has one dot under it. Can you see the dot? Yes, one dot under Ba. Ba is brave. Ba loves helping friends. Now listen carefully. Ba says, Ba, your turn. Ba, say it. Ba, good job. Let's say it quietly. Ba, now you whisper it. Ba, excellent. Now say it like a superhero. Ba, your turn, hero. Ba, amazing. You sound like Arabic heroes. Now let's go on a bubble word adventure. Ba sees something floating. It is a balloon. Balloon starts with ba. Can you say it? Balloon. Great. Balloon. The balloon floats to a door. Look! A door. Bab. Door starts with ba. Can you say it? Bab. Excellent. Bab. Who is behind the door? It is a duck. Batta. Duck starts with ba. Now you say it. Batta. Wonderful. Batta. The balloon, the door, and the duck all start with ba. Let's say them together. Balloon, bab, batta. Now you say them. بالون باب بطة. Amazing speaking. Now it's game time. Can you find Ba? Look carefully. Where is Ba? There it is. You found Ba. Let's play bubble pop. Pop the bubbles with Ba. When you see Ba, say Ba. Ready? Ba. Great. Again. Ba. Fantastic. You know Ba. Let's review what we learned. This is Ba. Ba has one dot under it. Ba. Your turn. Ba. We learned 3 words. Balloon, door, duck. Now say them with Ba. Balloon, bab, بطة. Amazing work. أحسنتم. You earned your Ba Hero star. But wait, another hero is coming soon. Who could it be? مع السلامة. See you next time, friends. Next time, we meet a brand new Arabic hero.